Hello lovely people, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Black Diamond Africa and I thank you so much for always checking up on this channel. If today happens to be your first time coming across this channel, please like my videos, comment, share and subscribe. Yes, this channel is all about showcasing Africa to the world. Wherever you are, I am bringing you interesting content by subscribing to this channel.
Yes, I am here at
Spana Junction is a bus stop in Accra, Ghana, which is situated nearby to Villaggio and Accra Mall. Localities in the area are Jolo and Legon. Jolo is situated 2.5 kilometers west of Spana, and Legon is also situated 3.5 kilometers northwest of Spana. The area is just a few minutes drive away from the Kotoka International Airport. Ghanaians are generally known to be very hospitable, enterprising, and hardworking. Many individuals find themselves indulging in activities to make ends meet. Under the scorching sun, traffic vendors sell all manner of things from foods like roasted plantains, yogurts, to items such as replicas of Louis Vuitton sunglasses, bags, and just about anything you would expect to buy in markets or stores.
My name is Tetteh Quarshie Roundabout. I sell bags for Accra. Sometimes the business, how you go, sometimes you go win, sometimes you go lose. At times I'll come, they go buy some. At times if I come, they don't go buy some. I think I'm like normal. But nobody say you come out, you will just stand there and watch. No. You see more customers and talk to them.
My name is Patrick Sosu. I am doing this thing almost 18 years. Let me say 18 years. Nothing is, this world is not beneficial. If the thing is not beneficial, you will not do it, you stop. And then one thing I normally said, nobody will do it for you unless you yourself. If your father have a car, it's not your car. You also have to force and buy your own car.
My friend said,
Mr. Nketia.
Mr. Nketia. And so who started marriage? How many years ago?
I started marriage 4 years ago.
4 years.
Oh, the Miadon. Said the impact of 20 months of chance of them to film. That is all year. I'm here to make bank one. I can't say to my enemy. Never could feel the show. But who answered the open up? But I can't go to moon. But the mouth when you talk about yourself.
Today they are a man for top.
Oh, a man for top. I say mostly, And they want market in the call. I'm out. They were market. Maybe be an appearance throughout. Maybe I will be weekend. Wow, that's it.
Wow, it looks good.
One of the reasons why I like traveling is basically to experience new places and to also open the minds of people to different places in the world. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing.